Okay, so we want to launch an EC2 instance, then also connect to it. First step, go to your launch instance. We will be launching Amazon Linux instance. So this is the first choice here. Remember to stay within free tier so that you don't waste money. Click on next. We can ignore this error, that's not a problem. So select your VPC. You should have a default VPC on your side. I'm using a public. I will explain all these ones to us in the next class. It's a bit advanced, but just select one of the subnets on your side. Ignore this, ignore this, ignore this. I think we're fine here. So click on next. 8 gig should be fine for this lab. Next, add a name tag. Name, call it demo. Then security group. So you want to create a new security group just like this, so you'll be able to connect to your. Without the security group, you won't be able to connect to the instance. We are opening port 22. Let's also add HTTP port because we want to set up a web server. Then click. Look, make sure everything is fine. Click on launch. I want to create a new key pair. Since just call it demo or anything, you can give it your name, but you want to make sure that you download that key pair. If you don't download the key pair, you won't be able to connect. Launch the instance. So while the instance is, click on view. So while the instance is creating, it's still pending. We want to install Putty. I've downloaded Putty. I've installed it. Yeah, so download as well. So this is your Putty as well. So, but I need to convert my key so that Putty can use it. The key that I got is in .pem file. So what do you want to do? You want to load your key. You want to convert it. Click on conversion. Go to the place where you downloaded the file. Using downloads, demo.pem, open. So save. We are interested in the private key. Your public key is automatically saved on this server, so we're interested in this private key. Leave other option as this. Click save. Are you sure you want to save this key without passphrase? Say yes. Let's give it a name. Call it demo. So demo, you save it as pp key automatically. Click on save. So our key has been downloaded and saved. Go to download folder, you should see our key there. So this is the key demo. Now we want to log in to the server that we just downloaded. Just created. Look at the server is almost ready. So click on the instance. I need the public IP. It's either you copy this public DNS or you copy this one. Anyone is fine. Come to your Putty, paste it here, paste the IP there. Your SSH, we need to load our key in SSH in your auths. So private key file for authentication, browse, go to the location where your key is. Mine is in download folder. This is it. So I've saved it and go back to session. Click on hostname, blah 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 blah. I think that's that. We need to set up a username. Open. Server key is not cached. Click on yes. login as, since it's Amazon Linux, the user is EC2-user. Press enter. So yeah, in the server, we've successfully launched an EC2 instance and also set up connection to it. So this is how you launch an EC2 instance and also connect to it via Putty.